Hi there, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are doing good. So today we are going to see how to generate dynamic key in Redis. So let's get started. So now that's the list we are working on, and if I'll show you database so you can see the table, title, description is displayed. Now let me show you code. So here you can see store is going to task controller store function. Let's go to task controller. So in index you can see I have get the task list and set the task list as well. So now in store you can see I have deleted the existing task list and again set the task list as new task is added. So now let's say for dynamic key, if we want to set a particular cache key, let's say for individual task ID we want a cache. So again write redis set. So here remove task list as a key, and after task we will be passing its id. So from result we will be getting the task id. So now let's write down dot result, and after that arrow, and let's get the id. So this will append the id. So now our key will be task underscore, let's say first id. So task underscore 1 will be our key now. So now we have set the id dynamic. Now let's get this id. So write redis, and after that write get, and same key we are going to pass. So write task underscore and result id. So now let's send this data to our response. So here write data and pass this task here. Now let's change the variable task is above as well. So write, let's say task new, and pass this variable. So now let's check in browser. So write title, let's say test dynamic key, and description also test. Let's submit. Let's go to store. Preview is not coming. Response is also another header 200. Okay, it's showing. Let's see in code. Payload is also there. So actually I have written this request. This will be response, as we are sending response here. So write response function, change below as well. So now let's write again title test dynamic key, description as well test, and submit. So in network you can see now response we are getting, but in task list I'm getting a very long list. Let's go and see once. So while setting I have passed a task only. So I need to change the variable that will be result I need to pass. So now let's go and again create. So change title, let's say Redis dynamic key and Redis test, submit. So now in store you can see now I'm getting only one data. So now only one ID has been passed. So if you will go to console as well, I have console same response only. So here also you can see same key I have passed. So now it's returning only one dynamic key that we have generated. So it's returning that data. So that's all in this video. So that's all in so that's all in this video. I'm just keeping short video to make you understand easily. So I hope you like this video. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.